First, start the Foxtel Mega Subtitle Editor app by pressing the app icon. Now this is the walkthrough page screen. You need to read it all for the first time to understand. From next time onwards, you can always skip it by pressing the skip button. This is the main app home screen. Press the first button on top to choose media. All video and audio files are supported here. Make sure to press yes always, or else the media won't load. The more RAM it has, the faster it will extract the waveform. Usually it just takes few seconds to extract. Now the media is loaded and waveform is generated. To show or hide the video player controls, just touch on top section of video player. To zoom in and zoom out of waveform, press the plus and minus button on the left hand side of waveform area. If you already have an SRT file and you just wanna edit it, you can load it by pressing the CC button and it will load the SRT. Here I will show you first how to create the SRT from scratch. To create the timing region, just drag on waveform like this. To increase or decrease the region, just drag the drag handle with 3 dots. I will do it here. You see I am dragging the drag handle. To insert the text into newly created region, select the timing slot on right and then just add the text. To add a multi-line text, press the enter button on the keyboard. You can either pause the video and create regions, or you can just drag on waveform while the video is playing to create the regions faster. Here I am showing you by playing and pausing the video, and then I am creating the regions. Now I increase the end time of the region by dragging the right handle. You see, moving the left handle will just change the start time, and moving the right handle will change the end time. I am adding some more text here. To view the subtitle on the video, just hide the video player controls and you can see the subtitle you type appears in the golden yellow color. I am adding some more text here now. You can always drag or interchange the region position by dragging the whole region. I will show you in few seconds now. You see, now I am moving the whole region by touching over the region instead of the drag handle. Now I will show you how to delete the region that you just created. If you want to delete a region, just swipe up over the region and a pop-up will show up like this, and if you press yes, then it will delete the region. I am adding some more text now, and after that I will finish it. After you are sure you are done with everything and you wanna save it, then just press the third button, that is the save button, and it will save it. See, I am pressing the save button. Now because the SRT file is already there, I am pressing yes and it will overwrite and save it. All SRT files are saved into your downloads folder, but make sure you use a file manager to find that file. Don't just open the download folder and expect to see the extracted file, SRT file. Use any file manager and then browse the download folder. You can press exit and then exit the app. Now here I will show you how to load and edit an SRT file. Load the video or audio first. Now press the CC button to load the SRT file. Press here and you will see the subtitle is loaded and ready to be edited. You can zoom in the waveform by pressing the plus button. You can zoom out of waveform by pressing the minus button. Press delete button to clear the project directory for the old files that have been there. Always make sure to save the SRT file before closing, or else everything will be lost. Now you may exit the app, but make sure you have saved the SRT file, or else save it now.